Raise your heart, let yourself shine. A hero tale will now be mine. From Ashalina, so brave, so true. Woman rose, her spirit flew. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo sahabat Al-Furqan TV. My name is Qanitha Ashalina of 4th grade of 4 Ibnu Abbas. Have you ever heard a female hero that fought from her home? We'll come to the story of Nyak, a hero from Archa. Let's listen to her story. Long ago, Archa was a happy and peaceful place. The sun shone brightly, and the people lived together in harmony. And at the year 1848, a baby girl named Qanitha was born. Her parents loved her so much and hoped she was good to be brave and smart. Qanitha learned about her culture and tradition. She grew up to be kind and brave person. As she reached enough age, she married a man named Ibrahim. And they blessed with a son. But the happiness didn't last long because suddenly the peaceful life in Aceh was disrupted by the arrival of the Dutch. They wanted to control Aceh and take the natural resources. I heard these people say they want to share their place. I dare to say it again to my face. What do you say about Aceh? You stay away from my Aceh. You stay away from my Aceh, 'cause I say so. It's my Aceh and it's my home. You stay away from my Aceh. You stay away from my Aceh. Where's the sword? Tuku Ibrahim didn't stay silent. He and the other fought against the colonizer. During wartime, woman and baby was evacuated to safety. So, Qanitha and her baby was waited for Tuku Ibrahim for a while. Take care, I'll come to you very soon. Little did he know, it was be their last meeting. Tuku Ibrahim was killed in the fight against the Dutch. Qanitha was very, very sad. But I won't cry, and I won't start to crumble. Whatever they try, shut me or cut me down, I won't be silenced. You can't keep me quiet. Won't tremble when you try it. All I know is I won't go speechless. I swear I'll take revenge. I will keep fighting for our land and people. I won't let the Dutch win. Nyak didn't give up. She decided to continue her husband's struggle. In the midst of the struggle against the colonizer, Nyak met Tuku Umar, a hero with the common purpose. Then they got married, and together they led Aceh troops in the battle against the Dutch. They used clever strategies and were very brave. Let's attack from the forest. We're going to suppress the enemy. Yes, let's also prepare some backup troops to help us if the enemy gets too strong. Hooray for Qanitha! Hooray for Tuku Umar! Even though sometimes they lost the battle, Qanitha and her troops never gave up. They keep fighting and using all their skill. And Qanitha was eventually captured. Her bravery and determination inspired many people. She inspired many people, even though sometimes, even in difficult time, we can be brave and smart. Okay, thank you. I think that's all my story. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.